Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So lots going on in the market from Friday when we had the progressive job data coming out of America, NFP exceeding expectations and pushing the dollar higher. In the reverse side of that, gold fell quite significantly, but also because China have stopped buying gold last month, well, as much as it was doing for the last 18 months. So this is another reason why we saw quite a big dramatic drop on gold, just a shy of $100 that's been lost in value from the precious yellow metal, and more significantly a break of 2300, which a lot of traders were looking at being quite a major support. So let's get right into the charts. We're looking on the daily chart for gold at the moment because, like I said, we're just seeing now from the two record peaks quite a dramatic fall. This was 2,450 approximately. Now we are trading $150 lower than that in just a couple of weeks basically. But NFP data was always going to be a big driving force for gold and the dollar. We've also got CPI data coming up this week, as well as the Federal Reserve's economic projections. So quite a lot of news to take into account from Friday up until Wednesday. So this will be quite an explosive week, and we can see if there's going to be major volatility in the market as well. So I'll just highlight the 2300 area. We just dipped below that, just trading $5 or $6 shy of that particular area now. And if we just go to the 4-hour chart, the intraday, and we'll just see just how dramatic a decline it has been, because as you can see here from the record peak that we had, we've been consolidating for quite a while. Very undecided market, really seeing some choppy price action, but holding its ground roughly around the 2315 handle. But since the drop and correction, and also the confirmation that we got below this particular area, then it is fully moving towards a bear market now. We're just waiting to see how much more of a substantial drop that would be. Obviously news coming out of China, but you know, Mondays are usually just a day for where a lot of traders digest the information over the weekend. Could be weekend gaps, but not on this occasion. But we are seeing quite a big move on the RSI because it's going into major oversold territory, which means we could have a slight spring in gold. But like I said, the CPI data is going to be probably a main driving factor for the yellow metal. And let's just take a look on the dollar, because the dollar index especially, we'll just keep it on the 4-hour chart. I mean, look at this substantial growth, and it's basically the flip side. As you probably are aware, that gold and dollar trade opposite each other most of the time. So when we saw the decline in gold, we were naturally looking at a big move for the dollar, and it's actually hit above the 105 level for the first time in quite a while, going back now to the middle of May, so almost a month since we saw these particular levels. It's been trying and failing for the last few attempts there, but as you can see here, has really gone through and cracked this particular area. So will it keep on going higher? As I said, we'll wait and see. Lots to take into account, lots of news to take into account, this week, and we'll see if that's going to keep on being a driving factor as we get into the trading week as well. So as usual, we'll bring you all the latest in the developments, the big fundamental headlines, and the big moves in the market on our Telegram and YouTube channels. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.